nag-aaway yan sila o ano, basta grabe ang sigawan talaga. Hinahanap ko yung kadami ng boses na naririnig ko. Eh sila lang naman dyan dalawa. Muta pa tayo. Ang hirap pagparites guys, yung wala kami naintindihan. Good morning again guys. Nandito ako sa kusina. Kararating ko lang. Nakita nyo 'di ba? Magpapakulo ako ng tubig dahil magre-ready ako ng breakfast namin. So magandang umaga ulit and happy Sabado sa atin. Tingnan nyo, bumili na naman ako ng donuts kasi breakfast kami ng mga boys and dito nga sila natulog. So, ayan. At ito yung aming uulamin for today. Magluluto ako ng rayusag. Yan, rayusag. At saka, bumili ako ng manok. Actually, ang binili ko manok, boneless. Tsaka yung gagawin ko na chicken curry namin. And bumili ako dahil sobrang mahal daw ng danya. Means, cilantro or coriander, 500 per kilo. So, yan yung lulutuin ko. And bumili ako ng boneless. Bakit? Dahil gustong-gusto ng mga kambal ang siopaw. Mas maaga akong gagawa ng siopaw. Dahil dadalhin ko yung siopaw doon, yung half sa kanila. Dahil hindi ko naman sila lagi nabibigyan guys. Sila ni auntie kasi usually hindi ko sila talaga nabibigyan. No? Pero pag sila ang meron, todo bigay ang mga yan. Sabi nga niya kagabi sa akin, huwag ka na magluto ng marami kasi gabi na. Sabi ko hindi sa mga bata yan. Kami nga pag pumunta kami sa inyo, todo asikaso kayo auntie at todo kayo luto. At ito guys, hugasan ko lang yung manok. Hindi pwede na hindi mo hugasan yung manok dito dahil pag gumili ka pa lang, yung mga langaw andoon na. So kahit pa sinusunog nila yan, sinusunog nila kasi syempre minsan may mga, di ba, hindi natin alam o di kaya yung mga balahibo dyan or bulbul ng mga manok or pero dinadapuan ng langaw, sure, yung mga baka uod-uod, di natin alam. Yan ko lang yan ng asin, kailangan hugasan, tapos ayoko yung niluluto ko na may dugo. Ayoko guys, lalong-lalo pag bumili ako, kailangan talaga hugasan mo yan kasi yung mga langaw doon nadapo sa mga manok. Ayan. Okay guys, so brunch time na. Ayan yung kayuhan at saka dal and sa dalawang kambal. Pakainin ko na sila guys kasi gagawa pa ako ng siopaw. Ng feeling guys para sa ating siopaw kasi maaga ako nga gagawa. Ito guys yung yogurt, yung chini. Yung malaki guys, yung big brother si Ayus yan. Ito yung maliit si Arpit. Kaya minsan confused kami talaga sa kanila. No? Okay guys, nandito na kami sa bahay nila ni auntie. Ito na yung siopaw natin. Nadala Ayan Ito. Ayan. So, ang init-init. Mabuti guys. Makapagpangin-hangin muna tayo dito. Gumawa si uncle nito. Tea with milk, tea time, and siopaw. Yan din si Johan. Naglakad kami Ayan si Uncle, day off ni Uncle. Day off ni Uncle. Ay, open auntie. It's still hot.
Here se daya uncle want to make video na.
Yeah. So si Uncle magja-judge nito dahil si Uncle ay chef. This is what we called in our country, siopaw. Yeah, actually we are eating this one with the gravy or with the sauce. We put soy sauce and little bit sweet and the cornstarch. Ayan.
Siopaw.
You can leave for you some also. I only take this later. You can leave for you. Yeah. You want to take with you for now. Chicken and we put boiled egg. Sometimes they put pork. You can make your own like chicken curry also like that.
So this is like already
No, actually
have meat.
Yeah.
Upahar exing sir.
Put in the bag.
Okay, upahar exing sir. So ayan guys yung mga students ni Uncle guys mga Chinese yan, 35 daw yan silang lahat. Mga tinuro ni Uncle sa kanila yung pagluluto ng Nepali foods kasi daw interested daw sila.
Chinese lady,
Yeah.
They
Nepali foods only, Uncle?
yeah, all dal, bahat, achar, chicken curry.
Uncle, I can teach them also.
Yeah. Because they don't know, no?
So Uncle, this one you are getting separate salary for culinary class.
Yeah. Wow.
Okay guys, dito kami ni Auntie yung naglatag dito si Auntie kasi nga brown out, ang init.
You see this
Very hot.
wall.
Yeah. They own that land, Auntie. They own that land.
They have rice. You see before yesterday you didn't see I make this rice plant.
Yeah, where did you plant?
Yeah, this one.
Kasi may video si Auntie, nag-ano siya guys, nagra-rice planting siya at that side only. Where is their house, Auntie?
This one.
But they have big land. Yan yung bahay daw. Tapos kanila daw yan, tanim nila. Gumagawa siya ng anong parang fence nila. Ha? Teacher. He is teacher. Husband and wife teacher pala. Si Uncle, we are looking for Uncle.
Rice.
Si Auntie, your tulsi is nice. We are looking tulsi actually.
You go nursery to start this tulsi.
Because mommy is telling to Deepak to plant. So that when she come,
You get?
no. Okay guys, gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo yung full view dito sa kapaligiran nila ni Auntie. Alam ko nakita nyo na ito guys, pero sa aking time lapse lang. Pakita ko sa inyo kung gaano kaganda yung view sa kapaligiran nila. Alam nyo kasi nakaupo ako sa hagdan nila dito, nakaharap. Sobrang relax guys, ang ganda. Ang ganda-ganda talaga. Ayan. Nakaka-relax. Electricity guys, ayan si Uncle guys, magluluto na siya ng biryani.
Yeah, before he make biryani, he go outside.
Nawala si Uncle guys, he's gone for a while.
He take energy drink. After he start to make
Day off ni Uncle Magluluto siya biryani. So ito guys, ang binili namin ni Auntie. 2 kilo yung by Auntie, no?
2 kilo plus.
More than...
Leg pieces.
Yeah, leg pieces lahat. Sabi ni Uncle Mila, you eat dinner here, I will cook very nice menu today. So magluluto siya ng biryani guys. Pag day off ni Uncle, dito lang siya. Ayan Yun Luto-luto si Uncle. Tapos bumili kami ni Auntie ng gagawin na salad. Yan. Maghiwa-hiwa kami. Okay guys, ito na yung biryani ni Uncle. Yung kanyang golden brown na mga sibuyas. Mga nuts, may ilaw na. Kasi brown out guys. And para ito sa rice, ito na yung manok. Yan Yan. Sisiw na sisiw kay Uncle Ang biryani, ang bilis niya. Iba lang yung style niya guys. Yan. Busy.
You saw this kitchen also too much. Don't show them.
Laboratory ni Auntie here. Laboratory. Auntie scientist. Yan. Ito naman yung ginawa ni Uncle na salad. Uncle, with sauce, this one, you make yogurt? Yogurt only, guys, yung nilagay niya. Ayan.
Yogurt, black salt, lemon.
Ah, black salt and lemon. Yan. Iba talaga. How many minutes no need to marinate?
This chicken,
Yeah.
if you keep marinate, it's better.
Oo.
But no problem also.
Yeah. You put yogurt also, Uncle. Yogurt, nilagyan niya rin.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, ito na yung biryani ni Uncle. Wow! Ayan guys, luto ni Uncle Chef. O diba? Tapos may kumawa pa siya ng salad. Tikman natin to ang biryani ni Uncle. Very special. Uncle, what you put this one? The orange carrot?
No, we have this is special food color for biryani.
Hey, food color.
You
Ayan
see now
guys.
what I did? Like this, I take, and
Guys,
you will see like this, carry,
we'll see the presentation of Uncle.
yeah. After,
Ooh! Ooh!
yeah.
Yeah.
No problem. Here also see.
Ayan. Walang dukot ba? No, no burn even.
No one.
Walang sunog. Perfect.
Very nice after.
Ayan na guys.
After. This is traditional Nepal. It's making anglo.
You put in, what's the name? Nanglo.
Yeah.
Ayan, nanglo guys.
After she, I put this
Onions.
one.
Ayan.
Timlan kita na.
And then, coriander.
Coriander and dry nuts. See?
And dried nuts. Lagay niya ko yung mga nuts.
मेरो फेसबुक खिच्छ मेरो
तँ कराई सराई छ नि त त्यहाँ
यहाँ हेर न मेरो चाहिँ भने के त्यस्तो नि हुन्छ किचनमा के हुन्छ त
कुर्सी सारेर कुर्सी छ अगाडि
ल
Uncle Chef. Ayan.
पर्दा झार्नु
Kanyang biryani. Tingnan nyo ginawa niya na salad guys, oh.
भद्राङ भुद्रुङ पारेर चाहिँ त्यो
And coriander.
and the finishing with coriander
Ayan. Wow! Ang sarap ng biryani ni Uncle. Wow!
lovely now at last saffron, it's called saffron.
Wow! May saffron pa guys.
This is
Very
what-
expensive the saffron.
Yeah, this
How
is
you make the saffron, Uncle?
saffron we imported from this is from Kashmir. It's
Wow!
giving very nice color for the food, biryani and whatever, everything. Wow,
May saffron.
let's go.
Wow!
Hey,
Let's jump in.
we have lots of meat hiding
Inside. Bongga yung biryani ni Uncle. Very special ah.
Yeah, because of you, I knew I not
Wow,
make
thank you
spicy.
Uncle ah.
No, I not make it spicy also.
Yeah, I did not see you put chili. Who will prepare for us like this? Alright? Nobody will prepare like this. Tingnan nyo guys, bongga talaga ang biryani. Ang salad ni Uncle.
This is for special guest.
Special
our
guest.
Mila.
Thank you Uncle.
See the color,
Guys.
see the piece.
Pag napunta kayo, if you come to their house, ganyan sila
Put
guys.
salad on side. Kitra ho, nata ke garina?
Sabi niya bagal magkuha ng video.
I want to give reply my guest. Yeah, I don't know.
Guest customer niya. Ayan. Thank you, Uncle. Ayan, guys, tikman natin to.
We cannot eat today. This one, oh my God.
Tikman nga natin to, guys. We'll try. Auntie,
Yeah, it's okay.
you're not in diet, yeah? Auntie? Yeah?
Oh, she's very lucky. Very long leg piece. This lady, I don't know why very lucky. Everybody have 2 piece of leg piece if you can.
Biryani na biryani talaga. Tasty? Yeah. We make biryani but not like this color. Pugyo, Uncle. Pugyo.
You have to pack also not that long.
guys, may ilaw na ang kanilang mga kwarto. Kaya maliwanag na. Tapos na kaming kumain. Sabi ni Uncle, magdala ka. Sabi ko, hindi na. Grabe ang luto ni Uncle, buyag lang. Tapos na daw ito guys, lagyan ng mga ilaw. Oh. Nice like this, no?
Yeah.
2. And this one, how many light you put, auntie? It's good for us arpit this room because they are big boys. They are big boys.
Yeah.
Very big room also, this one. Ito sa kanila ni Uncle.
One light.
May tinuturo si auntie guys, nakita niyo yung bundok? Wait, I will zoom auntie. Okay guys, nakita niyo yung bundok doon na dalawa?
This is terrace.
They cannot see maybe. Ito, yan. Sa gitna may ilaw. Resort daw yan, pinakamahal daw yan. Resort?
Terrace resort, yeah.
Yeah.
Expensive also. One night
Expensive.
like 25,000 like.
Oh really?
Height, because of the height, and also have very nice lighting there.